Hey, it's the after show. Well, thanks for supporting me. You helped me ride out the bumps of billion-dollar businesses that don't feel like doing the right thing. Look, it's the drum stream I've worked so hard to achieve. So yeah, here's the rig. Look at this bespoke thing that I've set up just for this. That's where the Frank cam happens, over there. This is just a cheapy telly on a cheapy stand, which I think I bought from Amazon. Boo. My old laptop, which is now so hilariously out of date. Well done, Intel. Way to get overtaken by Apple. Man, the new MacBooks are amazing. And these drums here, so the drums themselves, these are just Pearl exports. You can pick these up for, like, you know, students use these, schools use these. I really do want to sell that. You don't need expensive drums. I put these awesome Evans hydraulics on it. It's like the 80s. It's because, honestly, the big part of the stream is just to beat the pants out of a drum kit. And these are like the most heaviest drum heads you can get, and like you can just wail hard. Maple free floater snare. I like piccolos. I'm a fan. Piccolo means, you know, small, thin pancake snare. Cymbal wise, I'm also selling a bit of the same vibe. I've owned these for well over 6 years. And like crash cymbal top and like some random beginner on the bottom with a chunk missing. I've honestly been using them for 6 years. I put them together as a joke and fell in love with them. And the crack's never gotten bigger. I got this for 20 bucks off an old mate. It's cracked to oblivion. This is like, usually I put any old cymbal here, like, cause in this bag, this is the good boy bag. Like, this is where all the like 1940s, I think that's a Canadian Zildjian. Yeah, like so it's fun to put awesome vintage cymbals up there, because man, do I love vintage like drums and things. So that's a 1970s Pang. The cowbells. This is a beginner cymbal. This is a Zildjian S. This is one of their cheaper ones. The big thin ones I think sound really good. 20, it's a big crash. Yeah, and it's actually really nice, and I enjoy wailing on it. This is called a trash former. It's meant to look like an idiot. It's like an effects guy. And then this is the Oriental Crash of Doom. There it is. Yeah, look at it. It's all wavy and crazy looking. It's got holes drilled in it. You know, proof that, like, you don't need perfect looking cymbals to make good sound. I mean, they're cracked, pang. Yeah, it's a mess on the floor. There's drumstick redmonds everywhere. That is literally the pedal that came with the Pearl exports. When you see me like doing my fast single kick stuff, that's right. I don't even use an expensive pedal. Although the hi-hat stand is expensive because like I needed the special legs. There's the keyboard for the compute, which is over here. Oh wait, all of this literally runs out of an M1 Mac Mini. 8 gig RAM, base model boy. Yeah, like, that's how good the new Apple things are, right? That little boy is running the whole shebango. I got my giant desk here. What was it, Yamaha MG16XU? Like, for a 16-channel USB desk, which is listening to me, these are a great bargain. And look, see, like, left and right overheads, which is what these are. They're Rhodes mics, Khan Australia. Kick, snare, the toms, that's me. So when you see me muting and unmuting, that's what I'm doing. It's hard to look through a viewfinder. That's the iPod. It usually sits about there. Because yes, all of this really is running out of an iPod. There it is. Man, like 300 tracks all put into their folders. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. It's taken me a long time to get this up there. And yeah, look, it's just a camera. Ta-da! That is literally, all the music you're hearing is actually coming out of that 5th gen iPod. This is like a VR racing setup or whatever. And like, yeah, it holds a laptop good and my mouse good. Look at all that, that's all stick crumbs. All of that are drumstick crumbs. And for those of you who have seen the stream, yep, here they are. These are the, I mean, this is the Ajax. Like, it used to look okay. Now it doesn't look okay. Mate, it's the Crut. Budget cymbal from the 60s. They'll try, like, you know, beautiful cymbals are made in Turkey, and they'll try to be clever. Oh, it's spelled Turk backwards, and they got crud. And yeah, they didn't keep that name for long. But yeah, all of these just get thrown at the door, basically. This is where they live. If you wonder what they're sitting in, it's actually a guitar stand. They really hold cymbals good. Look at the rat's nest of cabling going on. Like, this stream took so long to put together. Like, there's just wires hanging everywhere. But yeah, you know, now I'll wait to see if Twitch is deciding to actually offer support or if they're wrapping up. That's how I gotta call it. It's like, well, either you support your people or you're finished, right? That, like, you're just gonna close up. I'm way too invested. This is something I've always wanted to do. And so, yeah, so sorry about the miserable video and just being deflated and just not so hot at the moment. And yeah, bye.